5 seconds to go. Start. In view of the above, the sanctioning authority recorded its satisfaction that all the essential ingredients of sections 21D and 21E of MACOCA were fulfilled and hence, proceeded to grant sanction in terms of section 23(2) of MACOCA for prosecution of the 6 accused persons including the appellant for the aforesaid offences, inclusive of the offences under MACOCA. Stop. Para. After the sanction aforesaid, the police filed the charge sheet on 7th November 2020 in the said crime number 251 of 2020. Stop. This led the appellant to file writ petition number 667 of 2020 in the High Court, questioning the sanction order dated 5th November 2020. Stop. Para. As noticed from the contents of the impugned sanction order dated 5th November 2020, the previous involvement of the appellant in other criminal cases with at least 3 of them jointly with the alleged team. Stop. Para. Learned counsel has relied upon the decision of this court in the case of Vinod G. Asrani versus State of Maharashtra, 2007-3 SCC 633 and has contended that for this opportunity being available to the appellant during trial, no interference in the sanctioning order is called for. Stop. Para. We have given anxious consideration to the rival submissions and have examined the material placed on record with reference to the law applicable. Stop. Para. While dealing with the rival submissions, pertinent it is to take note of the statement of objects and reasons as also the preamble of the Maharashtra Control of Organized Crime Act, 1999 and the relevant provisions under reference. Stop. Para. The statement of objects and reasons for this enactment reads as under: para. Organized crime has been for quite some years now come up as a very serious threat to our society. Stop. It knows no national boundaries and is fueled by illegal wealth generated by contract, killing, extortion, smuggling in contrabands, illegal trade in narcotics, kidnappings for ransom, collection of protection money and money laundering, etc. Stop. The illegal wealth and black money generated by the organized crime being very huge, it has had serious adverse effect on our economy. Stop. It was seen that the organized crime syndicates made a common cause with terrorist gangs and foster narco-terrorism which extend beyond the national boundaries. Stop. There was reason to believe that organized criminal gangs have been operating in the state and thus, there was immediate need to curb their activities. Stop. Para. It was also noticed that the organized criminals have been making extensive use of wire and oral communications in their criminal activities. Stop. The interception of such communications to obtain evidence of the commission of crimes or to prevent their commission would be an indispensable aid to law enforcement and the administration of justice. Stop. Para. The existing legal framework, that is, the penal and procedural laws and the adjudicatory system were found to be rather inadequate to curb or control the menace of organized crime. Stop. Government, therefore, decided to enact a special law with stringent and deterrent provisions including in certain circumstances power to intercept wire, electronic or oral communication to control the menace of the organized crime. Stop. Para. It is the purpose of this act to achieve their objects. Stop.